When I make my scrambled eggs, I savor every bite because they're soft and creamy, rich and flavorful, and I add a secret ingredient, kewpie mayonnaise. Yes, you gotta try this. Add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of kewpie mayonnaise and whisk until the yolk and the whites are thoroughly combined. Your non-skillet pan should be preheated to a medium heat, and I use olive oil. Pour in the egg mixture and let it cook for a few seconds undisturbed. I put salt and pepper. Using a rubber spatula, slowly break up the egg, and as you can see, I lift up the pan off the heat, barely touching the stove, and in a few seconds this is done. Let me know in the comments how you make your scrambled eggs. This technique of mine is very savory and delicious.